Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about dataset. The dataset is the centerpiece of disconnected data-driven application. It is an in-memory representation of complete set of data, including tables, relationships, and constraints. The dataset doesn't maintain a connection to a data source, enabling true disconnected data management. The data in dataset can be accessed, manipulated, updated or deleted and then reconciled with original data source. Since the dataset is disconnected from the data source, there is a less contention for valuable resource such as database connection and less record locking. In previous video, we have looked at how to dynamically create data table objects and populate them with data. However, we will usually be working with data store and we will be populating a dataset with table data from the data store. We can of course populate a dataset with this data table object also, but more often we will be working with database data. So, how to create dataset? Here we have shown the dataset object. So to create dataset object, dataset class is used. After that we have to write dataset object name and using new operator we can create dataset object. To populate the dataset, a dataset with dynamically created data table, use the dataset.tables collection add method. So this is the example of adding the data table to dataset using my dataset, which is our dataset dot tables dot add method, and we have to pass dt, which is our data table object, as a parameter. On other hand, edu.net provides an object, the data adapter, which is what we use with dataset. The data adapter is a bridge between database and dataset. The data adapter is used to manage a connection to database, execute a command, and return any data to dataset. So this is the introduction about dataset. We have also seen how to create dataset object. Thank you.